got settled into the cottage. Got my buddies, got their new 2021s. This one's the 900 Ace Turbo. We got a Skidoo Renegade XRS 137, my other buddy. And then one of his sons got an older Pro R. My 2021, my buddy's 2021 with a 154. We're gonna go back out, ride a little bit, see what we can find, do some pulls, go from there. Now we gotta go catch up to the guys. Go catch them. On his 154, he said he barely even feels the bumps. We got little stutter bumps, and his 154 is just bridging across the top of all of them, which is crazy. He's loving it. He's a bigger guy like me. He says he doesn't even really feel the bumps, which is awesome. So New Hampshire trails so far have been pretty good. They could use a little bit of snow, but you know, we're having fun. The trails that we're on, there's a lot of like little trails in between, but they're all like really windy with some straightaways, which is good. But they're like really windy and fun. They're wide enough, so that's good. They're not like super narrow. Traffic's been pretty high today. It's Friday, day one, but we're having a good time. We put only like 51 miles on. Today has been rough. We drove all night to get here, so all of us are we got about 36 hours. We've all been up since yesterday morning, and it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're all pushing 30, 36. One of the guys is pushing 40, 45 hours without sleep, so we're gonna sleep good tonight, I think, and get some good riding in tomorrow. You do a wheelie?
It was somewhere's back there. I didn't see it though. Right? We could follow this seasonal road all the way to the lake. We'll go.
Our lake?
What?
Our lake?
Yeah. Yeah, it's our lake.
right, guys, so we're gonna call it a night. I think that's gonna be the end of the video. So we're all exhausted. All of us yesterday woke up pretty early. Yesterday morning, some 4, some 7, and we've been going ever since. We left last night at about 10 o'clock, drove all the way to here till about 7. Then we had to get our registrations. We had to do a bunch of stuff. We went a small ride in the morning, and then we got checked in for a couple hours, and then you just saw some footage from a ride we just had. So sled was running good. I know that both of the guys love the new Skidoo Turbo Ace and the Skidoo Renegade XRS 850. They're having a blast already too. So like I said before, guys, if you want, check out my merch. Link will be down in the description. I just appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. This is probably my best year on YouTube so far. So keep smashing that subscribe button for me and like button. It helps me out a lot. Otherwise, guys, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.